Hi friends, this is Anna Hellman here with Scrapping, Stamping, and Stuff. I'm here with a really quick tip today. I just learned this and I just had to try it out and I really wanted to come and share it with you right away because I love this tip. You often see me in my videos fumbling around, picking up my foam dimensionals one by one, placing them on my project, and then once again fumbling around to pick the paper backing off before I can adhere it to my project. I just saw this and I love this tip, so I wanted to share it with you. So I'm going to show you a couple there's a couple of ways to do this, but I'm going to show you right here, and then I'm going to show you on this piece just how quick this can actually be to do this. So this is my Take Your Pick tool. I love this tool. It has several different pieces that can be inserted in the ends for different tools or different purposes. So we have a piercing tool, we have a little spatula. Here is the sticky end you can use to pick up sequins and small pieces. And then we also have a stylus that can be used for embossing and other things, scoring cards and things like that. So we're going to use the piercing tool and stab the dimensional with the tool. So if you are having some angry issues that day, maybe you can get out some of your aggression on your dimensionals by stabbing them. So you just stab it, pick it up, and place it down on your project. Then I'm going to do that again because I'm going to show you two different ways to remove that paper backing. So I find when I'm doing this that so I stab it, and then when I'm lifting, I want to pull away from the other ones. So if I pull this direction, it just pulls right apart. If I pull back this way, it's going to stay stuck to that and not really work as well. So stick it in there, lift away from your other dimensionals that are still on the sheet. Now, I'm going to flip this around just to make it easier, but you can do two things that I found. One is to stab near the edge. You just want to stab under the paper backing and lift, and it's going to pull away. The other way is to just put this right under that paper backing on the edge and lift that way. So then it sort of just flips over and stays stuck right here. So if you just put some pressure on it and keep moving, it is going to come right away from your project. So I'm sure if you try this, you can find your own rhythm, but I'm just going to show you right here. Normally on a piece like this, I would put 3 on, so I'm going to do this. Now I just want to lift those off, and I am new at this, so I'm still practicing, but like I said, I can tell I love this, and I'm going to be doing this a lot. So you do want to be careful as if you know this piece comes off right here and you're moving it away, you do want to be careful not to scratch your paper too much. It is the back side, so as long as it doesn't scratch so much that it's going to show through the front, you are good. But just like that, in just a few seconds, I have my dimensionals on there and the paper backing taken off. This is ready to stick it onto a project. So I hope this quick tip is helpful for you. You can get more ideas and inspiration on my blog at scrappingstampingandstuff.com, and I hope to see you again next time.